Alright, what we're going to do is about probably 8 inches, about 8 to 6 inches above the weight. We're going to stick a weight.
Where are they fishing?
Now this, I sure as heck know you're not going to want to stick in your mouth. I defy laws.
Don't stick it in your mouth.
I defy everything, okay? Now because these are lead, I'm probably going to die of cancer by the time I'm 24, so screw it.
Aww.
I'm going to hand around pliers that you all can use to crimp it.
I've got one of those to put the weight on my line. I'm gonna catch me a you. I'm gonna catch me a you.
A you?
Get your line
I'll catch a Y in that case.
You know your hook is crooked, right? I do. Go straighten it.
Alright? See how I did that? That's just sitting on there. It's crimped.
Crimp.
Alright?
Crumb. Crumb.
So who needs a weight?
I do.
Here's your weight. Here's your weight. Who else needs a weight? Zach, you need a weight? Yeah. There you go. Where's your bottle? Putting it on. Alright, I'm gonna hand around pliers that you all can.
What?
I totally forgot.
Okay, just wait a second.
So wait, we just put it anywhere between the hook and the bobber.
Alright, here's little pliers you guys can use without destroying your genetic code. Demonic code.
Yeah.
Genetic code.
There's your big word for the day,
Here's my
crew.
second
What
one.
on?
Little Rapala popper.
I was wondering about that.
I figured that would be what they'd be in.
Yeah.
You pulled in the bass, really?
Yeah.
Was it big?
It was at least a 1 pounder. About it, huh?
I didn't get anything on Popper's order.
I got a picture of it, I'll show you.
There was some pretty good rises there.
I was there.
Oh, you got
But I
rices
wasn't
though?
there, no.
Then what are you asking him for?
I know, I didn't see it though. That's
Yeah, I
weird.
saw actually.
Hence me offering to show you the picture.
I was like,
Wait, was it off of that
everybody's
dock?
there. They're going to be out there.
Yeah,
Threw it
they,
in,
Oh,
like,
wow.
like literally 5 seconds in. Gone.
Hey, Drew.
Pop-Tarts for breakfast.
That's like, what's the odds of getting lead poisoning?
Pop-Tarts have many nutrients, I'll have you know.
And 500 milligrams of sugar.
I swear.
Ah!
You should have seen it earlier. I
I
hooked to Andrew.
Your body just converts everything to sugar anyway. I'm just saving it time.
I hooked Andrew.
That makes
Shit.
okay.
Yeah.
That's because you're not. The body doesn't have to work to make it. So
Mr. Troy.
it's like build up.
What?
I managed to hook Andrew's shoe.
What do you
It
mean
was
build
actually
up?
pretty funny. Like everybody gets fat from it because then their body isn't working. It's like running and jogging.
My body's working okay.
Okay, well, whatever works. All right, so everybody know how to bait a hook.
I'm just
Nope.
fluffy.
Okay. Fluffy. All right.
Wow.
I'm gonna show you how Canadian night crawlers.
I want it.
Special.
I want it. It's Canadian.
Stop baking. These are probably pretty big.
Oh!
These are huge.
Let me see. Let me see what they look
They're
like.
like little snakes. They're like, eh. You wanna go?
There's your
Should give it to-
scrunched up night crawler. If I went
Give-
like that, you get like 5 worms out of that. Like seriously.
I want to
cut
eat
it
it.
up?
No, we're not gonna use those now. I don't think.
I wanna
I'm gonna
eat it.
teach you all how to do a smaller one because those are hooked apart.
I had some of those in my fridge for like
So-
6 months.
So we have
Those
worms
things do
imported
not
from
die.
Canada.
Yeah, right. I know. How does that work?
Okay.
It's gross.
How's the worm freaking out?
Oh no, they popped a blood vessel.
It's probably from the stress.
Got one part of it on. No, I just have to stab it another like 3
How did you do this? You have this tangled.
You think it's hard. Imagine how the worm feels.
I think it feels like stretched and like squeezed and like.
Yeah.
Why do I keep dropping this thing? Can I borrow someone's like Crocs or something? Because I can't go out and get over.
Worm, I got it on. My worm is alive. Is dead.
How did you do this?
There we go.
Are you trying to fix a knot?
No, it's in a knot. Yeah.
Smells funky.
What music should we put on it? Who sings that song? Started yet? Hi Kyle. Hi Fred. Crew.
This is triple hammock.
Awesome.
Here! Throw this! Throw this!
Ow!
Oh no, that's my shit.
Crew, you want your shoes? You're dragging it on the ground.
Hey, cracked.
Ammo!
What cracked?
Ammo!
Quit throwing my shoe! It all went quiet.
Stop with the through show with the shoe throwing. Put your shoes back on. Let's get ready to go back down. Refill your water. All right, we're all gonna go back down.
Oh my god!
Wait, stop. Try to stop me, big crew. Little freaky frog. Get your toe fungus off.
Get out.
Out of my own.
How am I going to get out now? I think it's 10 stories away.
Okay, crew, don't get out. Don't get out. Safe, no comment. Andrew, take your hammock down. Really? Really?
Get out first.
What did you say this three?
Ow!
I didn't find it.
And that's only. I'm gonna go canoeing.
No, either.
In the way.
You're driving down.
This will be on YouTube before we go.
Oh, it's already. Oh, it's on video, is it?
Yeah.
Keep doing. I'm giving up.
I have my knife still, so everything's out. Crap, now I gotta get that off. Oh. Where are my shoes?
What number is that?
3.
You know how to make your life a lot easier? You can put the number at the top.
The number at the top.
Flip it, put it up there.
Flip it.
I want to move. What was I going to do? Oh, yeah.
Dude.
Lift it. Lift it, guys.
I'm gonna go fish.
Alright, what we hit?
Alright, now just guys push.
We'll puff right out.
And keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. That's good, that's good.
Impressive how much the whole structure
Okay,
moved.
no, it's not. Keep going.
Lift and push.
Alright, that's good.
We'll push.
Alright, who's gonna spray this one off?
I'll do it. 'Cause I didn't try to get it.
Alright. And then next it's
Oh, I gotta get in the water?
I got it hanging. It's doing the work for me.
Does it stay cleaner that way?
This one's actually heavy.
Probably.
Alright, hold the hose. Stop for like a second.
These ants are like getting me and I don't know where from.
Yeah. Come on.
From the actual boat itself.
No,
Now you can spray them both.
these people are just...
I'm getting drier.
Very good. The boys are doing a great job.
Slide your foot, and then check it.
Coming off.
Yep.
Remember, we're going fishing.
Do it again, crew.
You want to do it?
Crew, we're going fishing. Excellent. All right, now everybody do the crew.
Ah!
Not when it's on videotape.
This is a very big room.